Hello and welcome to Kent County Council Road Safety Team's short video clip, and today I'm going to be talking about seatbelts and child restraints. Now, we all know that it's law that you wear your seatbelts in the car, and this came into force in 1983 for the front seats and 1991 for the rear seats, and everyone in the car has to wear a seatbelt. If children are under 14, then it's your responsibility to ensure that they do wear them and keep them done up at all times. It is said that if they're over 14, they can make their own decision as to whether they wear them, and they would be the ones who'd have to pay the fine if they were caught. However, you do, as drivers, have duty of care to ensure that everyone in your car is secure before you drive off. Fines for not wearing the seatbelts can range from £100 up to £500, depending on the complexity of the case and if it had to go to court. Now, I'm sure many of you are grandparents. Did you know that by law, a child under 12 or under 135 centimetres has to travel in a high back booster seat? And by the way, the 135 centimetres height restriction, if you're travelling in Europe, is 150 centimetres. But what about the smaller children? How do you know what seat is the one that you should be choosing for them? Now, there's lots of retailers out there that will be able to help you with this, but if you want a rough idea of what seat you should be choosing and what group size, if you go onto our website, it'll give you an idea with weight and height of which seat would be right for the child that you're looking for. There's also a little chart that retailers, they're the questions that the retailers should ask you to ensure that you're given the correct seat. And the other thing you need to do is make sure that that seat is compatible with the make of car that you're driving, and you can normally check this out with the manufacturer themselves. Rearward facing is far safer than forward facing, and in some instances you can have a child rearward facing for up to 4 years old. These seats are fewer, and you would have to do your research as to which seat you would choose for your child, but they do protect the head, they protect the neck, and they protect the internal organs, so do give them a chance and look them up. Now, usually Kent County Council do hold child seat clinics throughout the spring and summer, but obviously at the moment this just isn't possible, so we're sending out this information to hope that it may help you. And do remember that your children, your grandchildren, trust you to keep them safe. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back with another little video clip soon.